Alright, hello, how are you guys? It's been so long. Uh, but yeah, I am doing great, I am doing awesome. I am back home, and today there is no rant, don't worry. Today I am shooting this to introduce to you the love of my life, one of the loves of my life, driving. I love driving so much, and I used to miss driving so much when I was in the UK, especially when I was with my cousin over there. And I was like, they have a car because they live over there. And I've shown you a few shots of the car as well. And you know, we used to go for a ride or something or somewhere. And I used to miss driving so much. I mean, I think there's this sense of freedom and independence that driving gives you, which is something that I feel I really crave intrinsically. That sense of freedom or that sense of being my own self, because driving lets me do that. And I think that's a pattern I've seen across my entire life, or you know, choices in my life. Like for example, shifting to the UK, a big reason for that was the need or the want to be more free, be more independent, have more authority and more choice in my own decisions, basically, and to be responsible and to build something of my own. And I think that's what attracts me towards startups and entrepreneurship as well. So yeah, there's a very faint music playing in the background because always I overlay music, which then gives me a strike on YouTube. I am pretty sure this would also give a strike, but I just want to try something different. So what are we up to today? I am actually just driving to Chandni Chowk. So Chandni Chowk, for those who don't know, for those who might not be from Delhi, Chandni Chowk comes in a part of Delhi we call Old Delhi. Now that is the original Delhi that was present or even well established even say 500-600 years ago when the Mughals were ruling. And there's a very famous fort called the Red Fort over there. And and there's like a straight road down from the fort, which is the area called Chandni Chowk. Now this is a very, very famous market area, essentially. Give me a second. Hi. Sorry for the interruption. My father was calling, and some of the lines got mixed up, and someone else was speaking, so I got really scared. And he left his phone somewhere. All's good. But yeah, I was telling you about Chandni Chowk. So it's like a very famous marketplace, and these are like very old shops. Okay, so like very small shops, and it's like filled with shops. I think around 500 shops at the minimum, and it's famous for its food, the entire area. So I love that. And you get like things on a lot cheaper price because these are like wholesale markets as well. And Chandni Chowk is like famous for wedding shopping, so we are going for some wedding shopping over there. So my mom will reach directly from her college over there, and I am picking up my aunt, my Mosi, and my cousin sister, and I'll be driving them to the market with us. So yeah, it'll be a cool day. Just a very small little update that okay, I'm doing fine. Because I do want to upload videos, but I'm not able to make videos when I'm at home, because obviously no one at my home still knows I do make these videos, and that's just how life is right now. So yeah, I'll be giving these just small little updates ever so, and that's all. Ooh, by the way, we also have a moon roof. I should have opened this for better lighting though. Next time, we live and we learn. As I've right now attached this camera to my rear view mirror, which is a very interesting choice, but I couldn't find anywhere else to stick my very handy what do you call this? Phone holder? Yeah, a phone holder. Sorry, I'm blanking out. And we are just reversing into. You know, I so wish I had those cameras inside my lenses things, so I can show you like some POVs and actually show you what I'm seeing as well over here. That's fine. How are you guys doing? Thank you for watching, and even though I'm uploading after a few days. If you've come back to see this video, thank you so much for that. And that's all. If I can, I'll show you some of Chandni Chowk. If not, just this is me ranting with some background music. Actually, not ranting today. Today was introducing you to the love of my life, driving. Adios. A very interesting fact, by the way. This is the shop, the old famous Jalebi Wala. One of the shops that I really remember from Chandni Chowk, because when I was a little kid, we used to come here from school, you know, on picnics, and we once came for a food walk in the morning over here, around 8-10 a.m. and we had jalebi over here, like, so must have, apparently. I think it's still very famous. It's been here for a long time. I think 1884 is what it says. There were like these massive jalebis over here that they send. But yeah, we are trying to cut down on sugar right now. So I'm controlling myself. It's very hard to control coming over here. Oh, I love Chandni Chowk so much. So for the last 2 hours I was in a shop which is like a complete warehouse of all fabrics and all clothes. I wasn't allowed to film inside, but such an amazing shop, and I realized that I really like fashion for some reason, and I took, I think, too many clothes like jackets, and so I have to get them stitched right now, but that's fine. And yeah, it's almost 7:30 now. Most of these shops over here close at around 8, and now we're just hurrying because I have to collect a lehenga for my mom, and so I'm just heading down there, and that's it. That's a little update, as crowded as I was. This is Chandni Chowk for you.